Hello guys, welcome to my second pan spinning tutorial session. Today I'm gonna teach you how to do a charge. Well, for this trick also, I had a different name I used to call, which is windmill. I believe this trick was the first skill I've ever learned pan spinning, which means this is also a very easy and basic skill. Okay, that's all for talking. Let's get it. Step 1. First, hold a pan between ring finger and middle finger. This time you have to practice to swing a pan in a circular motion, just like this. Keep swinging it so you feel comfortable with this motion. Step 2. Swing it and hold. Easy way to do this motion is fold your finger first and swing a pan while unfolding your fingers. Fold it, swing it, and catch. Perfect, you're doing good. Step 3. Swing a pan just like step 2 and pass it to the middle finger and index finger. Swing it, and you have to pass it to index finger and middle finger, like this. The key point is how to use your index finger while swinging a pan. You should fold your index finger before a pan comes between middle finger and index finger. You should fold your index finger first, so you can go all the way to your index finger and you can swing it one more time like this. Then, just like you did in step 3, by using a rebound of unfolding your index finger, you can swing another circular motion with middle and index finger. Just like this. Well, it doesn't have to be a perfect and wide circle from the first time. You can do this. First, you have to practice like this. Just like this. Just swing it and put it between middle and index finger and catch it. Like this. Just keep practicing it and try to make a wide circle so it looks more dynamic. Just like this. So step 1, try to do this. Try to make a circular motion with middle and ring finger. And step 2, swing it and catch. Swing, catch. Swing, catch. And step 3, swing it and pass it to your index finger. Swing it, pass. Swing it, pass. Just like this. Like this. Keep practicing it and you'll get it. Let me show you this side too. If I do windmill over here, it goes like. So this is really a basic skill. If you know how to do this, then you can use this skill with another tricks and then make more dynamic motions. Okay, and that's it for today, and don't forget to subscribe and press like button before you leave. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.